Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Dr. Karl-Werner Oehlrich from Germany and I'm the creator of rooExtend. In the internet you find me with my initials Dr. CWO. Today I want to talk to you about one of my new Roon extensions. It's called rooScreen. If you are on the latest rooExtend 3.5.x, you have this Roon extension. It is for free, and folks, sorry, it's for the Raspberry Pi users only, not for those that have the rooExtend box. So rooExtend box users can stop watching here. So what is rooScreen? rooScreen is a free Roon extension that handles a screen that is connected via HDMI to the Raspberry Pi, or you also can use a Raspberry Pi native screen, a touch screen. And I've set up here a little demo for you. With my Romax remote control, I have a mouse that controls my iPad here, which I like to demo. And on the other side, we see HDMI screen, and this shows the time in words. So this is a word clock, and this is a default output of rooScreen if your gear is off and no zone is selected. First of all, I like to show you how to set it up. We need a zone to set it up, so I power on my gear. And here on my iPad, we now see that my zone, it's a Wohnzimmer, that's the German word for a living room, that is now active. Well, let's start. Let's go here to the settings and to the extensions, and you will find rooScreen anywhere in the list. If you don't see the clock at that moment, rooScreen is not enabled. So then you will see here a button that says pair. Click on the pair button and rooScreen will start, and after a short time you will see the clock. Let's go to the settings. You have to say which zone is connected to the screen. It's here my listening room, my Wohnzimmer. You have a selection for zone follows playback. If you like that it stays always on the zone, so the zone is watched by rooScreen, then say no here. So it is with a no, it is tightly connected to the Wohnzimmer. Auto refresh. This is something I had to bring in because there is an issue in the Chromium browser that is used for rooScreen, that after a certain time the Roon Cover Art will not show correctly. If you have the auto refresh on, the Chromium browser is restarted after each track, and so it will always show the correct Roon Cover Art. The last drop down is for the rotation of the screen. This is a normal rotation, but you can rotate it right or upside down. Depends on how your screen is located. Well, press save. And that's the first step. The second step is that you can set up the display. If you go to displays here, you should see a display that's called Chrome. This is the Chromium browser inside the Raspberry Pi, and this is the browser that is used to show the Roon Cover Art, and we can customize it here if we like to see lyrics or not. I turn it on, that's the default. Last of all, we go here, see the little screen symbol, click on it, we say start on playback, and we say display now. Well, nothing happens so far, But in the background, the Roon cover, the Roon artwork is already built up, and you will see that when we go to start in a track. I like to select this Diana Krall album and say play now. And now the magic thing happens. The clock disappears on the screen. You see it over here in this HDMI. We see the artwork, and we see the lyrics. If I turn it up a bit, you also can hear it. I don't want to make it so loud because otherwise Google will remove the sound. Yes, and if you don't like to see the lyrics, you can go up here and go to the extensions again. Here, open, oh no, go to display and disable the lyrics, and then you will only see the cover art. In one of the next releases, because now we're on the, here we are, 3.5.3. In one of the next releases, I will have support for a touch screen. So if you have a touch screen, you can touch it and get a web GUI where you have the basic possibilities to start, stop, and change volume. And if you tap on the album cover, you get back to the art. Now, when I go here to the playlist and I clear the playlist, I get back to the word clock. And if I go back to the album, this I also like to show you. Where is the Diana Krall? Here. I started over again. So I started over again. If I turn off my gear here with a off button, but I first stop my music and then I turn off the gear. So the word clock comes up again. So you can use this as a display in your living room. That's always on, that shows the time. And if you start playback with your music, then you will see the Roon Cover Art. So that's it. That's the function of rooScreen. Hope you liked this little demo video about rooScreen. And if not having subscribed yet, please subscribe and like my videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.